In this lesson, we are going to create a rating and product item component to make the home screen component based, to make the code of home screen modular right here. Let us start by going to the components folder and create a new component named rating. What we're gonna do here is to shape a stars-based rating. As first step, define function rating and set props for this component. Here is the structure of this props. It's an object that includes rating of type number, num reviews of type number, it can be null, and caption of type string. At the end, export default rating. Inside this component, the structure, props, and get rating, num reviews, and caption. Then return a div like this. Set class name to rating. For this class, go to index.css and at the very end, set spans inside rating class, set the color to gold. Next step, inside the div, we're gonna shape 5 stars rating. Let's start by the first star. Here is the first one. First of all, we create a span. Here is the first one. We created a span here. Inside that, we render icon. For icon, set class name to this conditional rendering. If rating is greater than or equal to 1, we need to show full star using font awesome solid f8-star. If it's greater than 0.5, we need to show half a star using this CSS class from font awesome. And if it's less than half a star, we show empty star using font awesome regular fa*. To import font awesome in this project, simply go to index.html and right after icon, add this CSS link. Set relationship to style sheet and set href to this link. You can find this link on the jsdeliver.net. Save it and go back to rating tsx to shape the second star. Here is the code for second star. We compare the rating with 2. If it's greater than 2, show full star, and the other conditions are similar to the first one. Here is third star. Let's go for the fourth star. And the last star is for this one, comparing rating with 5. At the end, we need to render this conditional rendering. If we have caption, we need to render the caption inside a span. The caption comes from the props. Otherwise, if we don't have caption, we need to check num reviews. If it's not 0, render it like this inside a span, put in a space, num review, and the reviews text. If num review is 0, show nothing. And let's go to create another component named ProductItem to use it in the home screen. Right click in components folder, set new file product, new file name to ProductItem.tsx, and here define function ProductItem. It accepts product as props. The type of product is product. Imported from types folder and export product item. So what we're gonna do here is to replace the code inside products.map, this code, with product item component. To do that, we need to return a card like this. Import card from React Bootstrap. Inside card, return a link to the product slug. Import link from React Rotterdam. And inside link, show an image. Set source to product image. Set class name to card image top. It's a class from React Bootstrap. And for alternative text, show the product name. Right after link, create cart body. Here is the cart body, and inside that, display a link to the product and set cart title to the product name. And here is the beauty of component in React. I'm using rating component that I defined in the components folder. So import it and pass two props, rating and non-reviews. They are coming from the product object in the props of product item component. Right after rating, show product price using cart.text component. And at the end, render this conditional rendering. If content stock equal to 0, show this button out of box. Otherwise, show this button add to cart. For out of box, set variant to light and disabled to make a difference between disabled item and a active button. Import button from React Bootstrap. Like this. Great, here is the code for product item and we are ready to use it inside the home screen. Simply get rid of a link here and replace it with product item, this one. Press tab to automatically import it right here. We do not need link here. Scroll down and find product item, set product props to the product object inside products array. So pass it and close it. Save the code. And here is the magic. We created beautiful product item list like this. And as you see, we have used the rating component, the product item component inside the homepage component. That's it about this lesson. Until next lesson, bye-bye.